Yeah, up nice and early, gang. Hey, looks my grandma. We're going to a car meet, cars and coffee, things like Altered or something like that. But we're on our way. Not me and my grandma. Me and my brothers are on our way to go meet the boys. So let's go. Man, it's the definition of a true startup. A true early start. It's like frosty. Like, look at that shit, man. Oh yeah. It's been a while since both these cars have had their covers off like together, and it's almost time for us to put it on the ground actually. So get excited. I don't know if you guys have been watching or keeping up with my videos, but we've been slowly like chipping away at it every single video. Motors in, like it's pretty much done. So we've got a couple more things left. Just literally waiting on some stuff to get spray painted for the engine bay. So that's pretty much it. And then it's gonna be on the floor, and we'll get it ready for tuning. Get keen, guys. Which one? Because if I lose it.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, long if you just...
Yeah. Straight on the vlog ski, bro. What's cracking? Somebody say something.
Here.
Sweet.
You're so cute and awkward in the morning. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
How are you? What's up, bro? How are you? What's up, gangster?
Yeah, good.
Okay, right?
Lose and miss the moment, you just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't.
Oh, we got Jack and Adam following us, and I'm just gonna keep doing laps around the car park. Look at him, idiots. Look, I'm gonna pretend to park here. I'll go into the park, and then when they come in, I'll drive off again. Ready? Just wait, ready? Should I go left or right?
Go left. Now go through this one-way car park.
I'm gonna go back to the same spot. Go, yeah, do that. I do that. I'm gonna go back. Look at Adam's face. I'll do one more time. Jack doesn't even know. I'll do one more time. Put your one up. I'll do one more time. I have to do it one more time. I'll sneak it. I have to do it one more time. Sweet. Oh, wait for this guy, wait for the other one. Look at him, he's being so serious to park his car. He's like looking at the gap.
Ready to do it. Like, yeah, reverse him, reverse.
He's waving his hands. I'm gonna go on this side. I'm gonna go on this side. Look at oh, should I park back over there? I feel kind of bad now. Should we park over there? Oh shit, that's bad. Should we park back over there? Yeah. Alright, you win, boys, you win. Oh, the sun's like right on my head, bro. Gangsta G. But we just walk up to this meet and this crow's like just swooping us some shit. Crazy. I haven't been to a meet in Brisbane in so long, so I'm like, where am I? But it's Eat Street, so I actually know where I am for once. I'm getting used to Queensland, yo. Mate, old man and his little kid brought him to the car meet. Look, some GDRs. Love to see it. Love to see it. River. Hi. Just staring at you.
Oh yeah, bud, that's a nice size 3 there, bud.
Yeah, mate, with the humble plates. Not very humble.
Got brand new friends for way back. If you my sign, can't change it.
Hey, Zon, come in right quick. Pass me a blunt. If I'm on your mind, just say that. Brand new Benz, brand new Maybach. You got brand new friends, fuck way back. If you my sign, can't change that. If you ain't tryna fuck what I'm here for. Fine brown skin girl, Barbados. You tryna play these games, I'm paid off. I'm in Hollywood with baby.
The upload's coming too. All of the upload that is one of my
Anyways, didn't really last long in this meet, I can't lie. I swear it was like an hour long. Unless it was faster and I just didn't realise. But we're gonna leave now, we're gonna go get some food. Boys are over there somewhere. Get some food and then I'm gonna pick up the vlog later tonight because I'm gonna do some photos with Jack. And we're just gonna do our usual nighttime antics, you know what I'm saying? So, see you after. Ooh, it's hella windy out here. Man, you guys just saw us come back from a car meet in Brisbane somewhere. I think it's like near East Street. And I was supposed to like continue a vlog that night, but didn't. So I'm just picking it up on a random day right now. As you can see, I'm with Shady. You guys already know him. His social will be in the description anyways. But we're just shooting some content for his TikTok, a little bit for my TikTok. And I'm just gonna show you guys like kind of behind the scenes of what we do. So enjoy, I guess. Do you want me like close to you?
not like close.
Just
look like from there.
Well, like this is pretty cool, this distance. It just kind of depends if you're gonna walk around and shit.
I'm gonna walk around a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm
gonna stay like this far away, but like move that way and that way.
I'm gonna like talk about the plans on the car, what I'm gonna do. So
Yep.
if anything, I'm just gonna like walk up the door, pop them on it, shit, show coils, show the rear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck, you know this. I can't deal with this shit. People watching, man, this is fuck. First time out in public. Landing in a private little area now, but what we're gonna do with the motor is we're just gonna have to beat gyon.
All right, you tic-tackers. I'm gonna make a tic-tac with Shady tic-tacker. I'm gonna make like the quickest TikTok like AU. Yeah, that's just an angle. You're gonna love that one. Believe that. Oh, go on, Gyon. This angle's crazy. Tic-tacker. I'm a tic-tacker, dude. Look at Shady over there checking out the sand. Weirdo. Ah, the color is just nuts and it's so dirty and just looks good still. That's just the angle, eh? Wow, Shady's car looks good. You know what's crazy? I keep calling him by his TikTok name or his social media name, and it's tripping me out because I know his actual name, but I keep calling him Shady. But like people call me Gyon, but my name's Gyon. Like you can't really f that up. Bro, look at this guy. See him right there? He's literally checking to see if the sand is hard enough for his car to be on the sand. Bro, if we get his car on the sand, I'm gonna laugh. This kid is crazy. Ay, ay, ay. He reckons it's doable. He thinks his car's a four-wheel drive. Oh, what is it, GQ? Bro, I actually can't believe this kid, bro. He gets a $100,000 car and he puts it on the sand like it's a four-wheel drive. These guys are gonna look at him like, what the heck? We need to film this. Walking across. He looks nervous. It looks good. Just stay there. Stay there, stay there. Bro, this kid actually did it. That is crazy. Oh, I don't like this. This is sketchy.
eyes are bold too. Like proper.
That is funny as. This man, dude. If you like, don't put your wheel like that and just go straight back, you should be alright. It's a shame it's too much shadow here. Yeah, you can't even go there though.
Why not?
Because it's not a full drive. If this guy didn't do coilovers, it would be a full drive. I don't like that, bro. That's Stop. Oh. I don't know, you might have.
I think I've done it.
No way. This is so I had a feeling this is not a good idea. What am I going to do, tow you out? This is not meant to happen.
This go real bad real quick.
We need to hurry up and figure it out before the tide comes up. This guy was rolling backwards, he stopped and then decided to go again, and look at it. No.
No, we're good.
No, we're good. We just gotta, this guy's got bolt ties as well. This is not good.
I have no grip, bro. We're gonna do a little one.
We may have done a mischief. No, stop. You can't go. You don't want to bottom out, that's the problem. I reckon we want to dig it out. Yeah, just don't full pin it, just like let it like roll. This is not good, bro. Hold up, we need to do more here.
Really?
Yeah, like fucking this. Like that. I'm lucky shitting myself for you.
I'm not.
Ferrari. Keep going, all the way. Such an idiot. Oh, this guy. That is crazy. This guy buys a $100,000 car and almost gets it stuck in the sand. That is wild.
Maybe club sports weren't made for beach.
This guy's treating this like a four-wheel drive, bro. I can't hang out with him. That's crazy. That is crazy. Bro, this guy's stressing me out. I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to go home, get a four-wheel drive, a rope. None of these guys are gonna help us. All right, sun's literally going down so fast. It's gonna be the last clip that I get for this little TikTok little tang. So yeah, man, sunsets are nice today. Bro, the weather was so shit before. The f was that? It was so shit before we got here. It was like grey, but it's cleared up a bit, so we're good. Watch me post this and someone's gonna talk about how my car's next to the ship, the bin, guarantee it. Oh, you can't hate on that car, bro. It's actually that nice. That's Jack's move, how you bend down like this. Jack does that really well. Shady's just laughing at me, but it's a fact.